Hey Logirians, welcome to Logiri. I hope you have subscribed to Logiri's YouTube channel and hit that bell notification on so that you do not miss any of our videos. I hope you're following us on Instagram because we do pretty amazing stuff out there. We're going to talk about Narsi Monji Law School, which is known by the name Kirit P. Mehta School of Law. And it is a new law school, came into being somewhere, was established and had its first batch in 2013 and passed out in 2019. Is a college which is known basically for MBA and various other courses. It has a very good reputation. If you tell someone that you're doing your anything, your like graduation or post graduation or studying from Narsi Morji, a very good face value this college has, and is knows how to groom students. And so yeah, it is a good law school, and in the coming years it is expected that it is going to be one of the good law schools, like it is a private law school like Symbiosis. And yeah, the Bombay, the institute in Bombay is known as to be very good. And yeah, we're going to discuss about this college. Firstly, guys, 13th September, that is, if I don't know when this video goes up, I know it is the last date, 13th September 2020. So if you really want to fill up the form, you can. And let's know about this college a little more. It's kind of a review. It's going to tell you a lot about this law school. And if you think that, if you're looking out for options of a private law school, then I think you should fill the form and appear for the exam and try to get admission in this law school. Okay. Programs. Now they have BA LLB and BA LLB honors and BBA LLB honors. And yeah, so they accept CLAT and LSAT score. Now the LSAT score part, if you have given LSAT, I think the dates are gone, like for submitting the score. But then also you can check. You can check, and if you can fill the form and see that if they're accepting the LSAT score. On the CLAT part, like if you see the post graduation instructions, like for LLM, they have told clear cut that they'll be accepting the, like they have opened the option that if you want to sit for the exam, the exam name is NLAT. No, not the NLSI one. They have their own exam, right? So not clear that will they be taking the CLAT score or not, because they have neither said it, like they have not come up and said that yes, we'll be taking CLAT scores. But yes, if they're showing it on the website, then we can assume. So yes, they take CLAT score, they take into consideration your LSAT score, or they have also introduced this year their own exam, that is NLAT. Now for NLAT, if you want to appear, you can appear, right? They have these two programs, and BLLB is available in Mumbai, Navi Mumbai, Bangalore, Indore, Hyderabad, right? Your BBLLB is available at these places. So the Mumbai college is known to be the best one. BALLB and BBA honors. So the Mumbai institution has 120 seats for both the courses, BLLB and BBLLB, and all other branches, that is Navi Mumbai, Bangalore, Indore, Hyderabad, Chandigarh, Dhule. They all have 60 seats. Eligibility criteria: in 10 plus 2, you need to have scored minimum of 50%, right? And yeah, that is there. They have said that either CLAT or SLAT score, that was taken, but recently they have introduced their exam called NLAT. NMIMS Law Admission Test, that is NLAT 2020, shall be of 2 hours, and it will have 150 multiple choice questions, 1 mark each, negative marking of 0.25 marks. English language is of 30 marks, your current affairs of 30 marks, legal reasoning of 30 marks, logical reasoning 30 marks, and quantitative techniques of 30 marks. So if you were preparing for CLAT or any law entrance exam, you must have covered all these subjects on and off, so not to worry. Important dates, so the last date of application for this exam is 13th September 2020, right? And the actual date of exam is 22nd September 2020. So if you want to try your luck, अगर आप देना चाहते हो ये exam, तो आप दे सकते हो. ये बाकी सारी उनकी है: data quality check, exam dry run check, and infrastructure readiness check. Program fees for batch 2019 for information only. So for Mumbai campus, they had around 2 lakhs, and for the other campus, it was around 1 lakh. Okay, placements. Now, since this college is a new college, just one batch that has come out, and 2020 wala batch, obviously the COVID thing ruined their placements, I suppose, because obviously they would have shown better results this year because 2019 was the first year that they had. So yeah, around 50% law firms and 26% corporates, 21% further studies LLM abroad, 3% went into independent practice. So yeah, that's the placement record or companies with which they say they have association. Now they have used the word association. They have not clearly written that, our students got placed with them, or they visited the campus, or they had some program with them. Not really, like no clear cut thing has been given. But yeah, if you read about it through unofficial sources, on unofficial sources, you'll find that yeah, there were good companies who visited the campus. There are on-campus placements. So if you are that person who's looking for on-campus placements because you want to enter the corporate world anyhow, then this is a good college for you, because they know how to groom a child, because they have that experience with MBA and they are known for their courses. So yeah, you can trust this college. I think it is much better than any other local college, private college. You can trust Narsi more, right? And also they are saying that they have association with Amarchand Mangaldas, Khaitan, the top law firms that we can see the names over here. I've picked this out up from their website, and the unofficial sources say that the minimum package was 6 lakhs and maximum, some say it was around 15, some say 10. So yeah, so I think my own opinion is that if they're on campus placements, if the college, if the university is able to bring companies to you, so they are giving you opportunities, right? So many companies have come, so they are giving you the opportunities. Now you have to prepare yourself that you're able to make good use of these opportunities, right? And the other thing is, people are saying that yes, the faculty is good. Some are saying it's okay. Some say that it changes very often. But yeah, more or less, everyone is saying that the faculty is good. But one thing is the attendance. So faculty is good, but the other thing is that they have, compulsory attendance. So even if you're in Bombay, you cannot make good use of being in Bombay by, going for internships or here and there. The people who tend to work with firms or with lawyers, even when they are going to their college, like in the evening or after like 12 or 1 o'clock, they're free and they can just work with any company or with a lawyer, so that they are better off when they are sitting for placements or they start with their own practice, right? So that is one thing that you need to consider. But yes, if you are thinking to go into take admission in any local law college, private, I think this is a better option. तो प्लीज़ लाइक कीजिएगा और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर भी कीजिएगा। चैनल को प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करना और बेल नोटिफिकेशन ऑन कर देना, ताकि जब भी मैं एक न्यू वीडियो डालूँ आपको नोटिफिकेशन आ जाए। और अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आपको वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन मिले और जो हम एक्टिविटीज़ कर रहे हैं लॉगिरी पे उसकी नोटिफिकेशन मिले, तो हमारा टेलीग्राम ग्रुप ज़रूर ज्वाइन करिएगा। अगर आपको ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगी तो प्लीज़ मुझे कमेंट करके नीचे बताइए कि आपको ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगी, ताकि मैं और ऐसी वीडियोस बना सकूं जो आपको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हेल्प कर सके। आप मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे भी फॉलो कर सकते हैं, वहाँ पे मैं @IAMLogiri के नाम से हूँ। वहाँ पे आप फॉलो कीजिए, क्योंकि वहाँ पे हम बिल्कुल डिफरेंट कंटेंट डाल रहे हैं और चाहते हैं कि मैं आपको वीकली न्यूज़ लेटर भेजूँ जिसके अंदर मैं लॉ के बारे में और भी अच्छे से बात करती हूँ। तो प्लीज़ अपनी ईमेल आईडी नीचे दिए गए डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में एक लिंक है, वहाँ पे जाके अपना ईमेल आईडी ड्रॉप कर दीजिए, ताकि जब भी मैं कुछ ऐसा करूँ आपको ईमेल पहुँच जाए और आप वो देख सके। वो मैं यूट्यूब चैनल पे नहीं डालती हूँ, वो सिर्फ मेरे जिन्होंने न्यूज़ लेटर सब्सक्राइब करा हुआ है उनको भेजती हूँ। आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं जल्द, बाय।